Hi, my name is Marion Zitko. I'm Application Engineer Team Lead for Europe. Welcome to Vision Show 2024. In this demo for battery inspection, we are showing you different technology from Tiki Edge Vision to inspect battery. The first part combines 3 Gocator 2530 in a multi-sensor setup to produce a 365-degree point cloud and inspect the battery, the dimension, for example, width, length, etc. and also to check some defect, for example, on the side of the battery, some bumps, some dents, etc. In the middle, we have our Gocator 5516, and with this one, we will control the top of the battery. This sensor is specially done to inspect complicated surfaces such as very shiny or glossy surfaces. If you have some glass, for example, you can check the multi-layers of your surface with this sensor. The last part is a 2D system with our partner LMI Vision, and everything you cannot see with 3D, then you can also inspect it in our software GoPxL with 2D and the camera from LMI Vision.
Our robot demo shows a Gocator 3520 in combination with an LMI Vision 2D camera module. The entire system is connected with our GoPxL software. The GoPxL software from LMI integrate 2D and 3D cameras, and we can control both of the devices, grab the data and process the data in our GoPxL software.